Good night, my name is Manuel Moya, and this is my presentation of the activity. First question: what do you like studying about logics? I like to study logic since it allows to investigate the administration management of different processes. Second question: where do you live now? I currently live in the city of Bogota. Third question: what do you like to work? I would like to work in a financial institution, apply logic in the credit process. Fourth question: where do you like living? I would like to live in Europe to learn other cultures and languages. Fifth question: where do you from? I am from Colombia. I was born in municipality of the part of Cundinamarca called Ubaté.